Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, Mo and Mpime World. If you're new here, kindly subscribe, like this video, comment, and also share it with your friends. As for our returning subbies, thank you so much for your endless support and endless love. You have been here with us since day one and we can thank you much. So on today's video, I want to do some cleaning. As you have seen already, I've took the carpet from the house. Now I'm here. I want to wash it, and you can see it's very dirty. This one is somehow is it light gray? Yeah, this area only do inakaa bado ni safi, but the other part it's dirty. Since this area huwa iko ndani ya inside the dining table, so it's somehow clean, but the other part is very dirty. So guys, don't forget to like this video, comment and share it with your friends. In here I want to show you the ingredients that I'm going to use. Ingredients kwani tunapika na kushanga. Unajua nimesikiza nikasema he. So I want to show you the things that I use.
Detergents ama ingredients.
Sasa detergents here. The cleaning detergents. Now here we have the washing powder. This is an Ariel powder. Here I have some Downy and bar soap and some water. More water and more water. So let's start the process. I'll put some cleaning detergent into the water, bucket full of water. Then tutaanza kumwaga. You need lots and lots of water. And you have a brush. Forgot to say we have a brush. So we start doing the thing. Let's do the thing, guys. Should we start at this corner? Hey, mangoes. Remember we have the basil. And also you can add the washing powder if you feel like. Why come with shoes, huh? Let me put the shoes aside. You see? If you're not near a car wash, you can do this for yourself.
Simi nafikiri unaondoka unanipatia stress.
Nikiondoka tena unarudi.
Sio na hii sasa ni kwa mlango.
Vipi?
Hapa. Hapa chafu.
Kuja na brush nyingine.
Hakuja na brush nyingine, anachukua hii, mimi nashika kamera.
Hii hata ifanye kitu.
Sawa, utahitaji sasa niweke hapa kwanza. Naendelea.
See guys, imeanza kung'aro. Guys, mtu asiwadanganye, mnafaa kuwa na a light carpet when you have children. But it's good, unaanza kuwafunza wakuwe discipline mapema. Lakini kazi tawapea. A light carpet needs a person who lives alone or just a husband and wife. Asumani. Guys, have you subscribed? Huh? Please subscribe. Hey, mechoka. I'm tired. I'm not even halfway and I'm already tired.
Sasa nani huko tu nawaitisha hiyo kitu bure na huko usugui, huko tu nafanya hivyo. Hiyo kunikujaza hapo maji bure.
So, after the first round of washing with washing powder and the detergent, now I need to rinse it to see if it can become clean or not yet. So that we can add another round of soap.
Najua kwa na kushangaa kwani ungemwagi hivi angemwagika, lazima kwa ndoo ndio weke.
Ongeza sabuni. Kama bado.
Ongeza kujia kando kando huko.
Ile place iko. Hizi za white. Mimi hii area. Kuja huko. Ongeza sabuni kidogo kidogo.
You continue washing. You're already tired within 5 minutes.
minutes vinduti. Wema, je yako wapi? So guys, we have done the first and second round. Now we are on the final round and we are going to use Downy on our last round of water. So that it can smell nice. And we can call it a day. Where is it going? Where is it going? So we let it sit for some time, then we come back and do the next thing. We have finished washing the carpet. We have rinsed it with the Downy water. Now here you are. We want to go and air it somewhere on those lines, clothing lines. So we can carry it. You know, it's so heavy, but we need to move it from here since the kids. Sauni. Saibu. Saibu, come to our help. So tunaandika kwa hizo kamba zote ndio. Hey, karibu. Mama mkuja hapa ndio atachukua. Ungeshika na kula au ukuje kule mwisho kabisa. Shikilia hapa sawa. Sasa hapa. Sasa mimi nipite huko. So guys, here is our carpet. So we let it dry here. I know it will take some 2 to 3 days for it to be dry. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I truly appreciate your support and your love. Yeah. So, that was quite a nini. You can see nimechafuka, niko wet, so I need to go take some shower and do some other house chores. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Watch all our videos, like and comment. Until next time, guys, see you on our next video. Bye.